Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to part 2 of my video, and today I want to talk about how you go about when you get your first order. So when you get your first order, after you have listed the way I have shown you in part 1, you will be told now you need to deliver your product to drop-off center in the next 24 hours. So first of all, you don't have these packaging bags. Each bag costs 6 shillings, that's 6 cents. And when you go to Jumia, so what you're going to do, because you don't have them, you will carry your product with you. So let's say this is the product that was ordered. You will carry this product with you, and you will have to wrap it with a bubble mailer if it doesn't have a box, so that you can be able to put it in this bag. So then you will put it in this bag here, this bag, and then when you put it in this bag, you will be required to print your receipt and put it inside, and then you will go to tables. As time goes by, I will ask Jumia if I can go and describe the whole process in their in their drop-off center in Nairobi, and it's in Kantaria, near opposite Jivanji Garden. That's where my mom drops her things. That's where we take things. So, and then you don't have to seal it first. Those people have to confirm if you are putting in the right thing, and then when they confirm and the receipt is there, you can remove this part over here. You see this? There is this part, this thing here. You remove it. I don't want to misuse it, and then you seal it off, and now they take it for delivery. And you remember the part where I was showing you the number of items? So if you're just selling one item, you just put one item. If you're selling the bag I have shown you and this one, you say you're putting 2 items. This one should either have a box or you wrap it with a poly mailer. So then you put it. Make sure you put it in this polythene bag, and you have to make sure there are smaller ones and there are bigger ones. So you see, like this one, you will put smaller one, and that's it. Now your orders are ready for when you seal them. They will be delivered, and yes, and in a week's time you will receive your money. So I hope we are together in that part. You don't seal this from your house, you go and seal it at the drop-off point. And always make sure you have, like, the first day you go to purchase these ones, you purchase like 20 of them, so that you wouldn't be going and queuing. There are a lot of people at Jumia, so many who are dropping their products. So I hope we meet in the computer and I show you the email you get when you get approved, how when a product is declined, how you go about having it approved, and how you fulfill your first order, and the type of email you get. So see you on the computer. Now that you have listed your products on Jumia, like we did on our part 1, you will wait for review. That takes up to 24 hours. If you do it on a Friday, you're likely to get approved on Monday. Just be patient. So you can see, this is my mom's email. They're saying, "Hey Margaret, Jumia has reviewed your 1 product. You have 0 approved products and 1 rejected product." So what does that mean? This means that these people have approved no product, and you need to reach them out to tell them to approve the product they have rejected, to approve it. So you call this number here, or you click here and learn why your product was disapproved. The best thing you can do is call your account manager. They call you immediately you complete creating account, and you tell them your product has been rejected, and you will see them approving it. So I'll show you an email of an approved product. So you can also see what we sent them. Hello, I listed a product on Jumia and it was disapproved on basis of content score below rejection threshold, and product had low content score. This is why they had disapproved the product. That's why they never approved the product. I will appreciate your assistance on image and SEO. Then they will reach back. Hello Margaret, please share the SKU. Would like to optimize and also your shop name. So what you do, send them your shop name and you send them the SKU, and they will optimize it for you. They do it for you free of charge. Nobody charges. So if anybody tries to charge you, you should always look at this email if it's ending with this. You see, if it's ending at jumia.com. After product approval, Jumia will definitely approve your product. Now you can see, hey Margaret, Jumia has approved your one product. You have one product approved and 0 rejected. That's so good. Now you can wait and see product being ordered. So you can see the time when the product was approved. Monday, it was on a Monday, May 11th, 3:01 p.m. Now let's see when the first order was made. So on Wednesday, May 13th at 9:49, a new order just arrived. No ads were paid for, no nothing, just listing. So dear Margaret, you have received a new order in Jumia Seller Center. Below you find some details to the order. So the order number and the 144 pieces of heavy duty pegs. You can see I told you she came with these pegs and I told her she can sell them on Jumia. And she was selling this product at 300 shillings. Now let me show you some of the things you should avoid when you're listing products, some of the things you should be aware of when listing products on Jumia. When you get to Jumia, there is this person, she calls herself Josephine Wanjiko, who never replies your calls or your emails or your anything. And this is what she sends to everybody. So you scroll down. Also think about the golden number, 15 products. So that's why I was telling you they usually recommend 15 products instead of one. But don't go looking for 15 products to start a business. Start with one product and get going, if that's what you can afford. Then you must attend these trainings. You must attend them for you to be removed at one daily limit. So when you start selling on Jumia, they will limit you to one order daily. So when you go and drop it, they remove the limit. So every day you can only sell one order until you complete their training. So as you continue, this lady shows you the delivery fee. So important reminder, Jumia will charge a commission depending on category for commission fees structure here. Now I want you to take this seriously because that's where we messed up and we didn't know what we were doing. So your category is so important because remember, if your product is 300 shillings, Jumia takes 15% of that sale and they go ahead and take delivery fee. And delivery fee depends on each category. So for only orders that reach the customer, you will also be charged a shipping fee contribution depending on the size of the product ordered. So when you look at this table here, you will realize this is the table I looked at, and for me, you should not look at this table at all. This is misleading information. This misled us. So when you look at this image, it's not zooming. I don't know why. This image here. Let's open it in new tab and look at it. When you look at this image here, you see special small. It's 25 shillings delivery. But if you are doing Jumia Express, they would charge you 10 shillings. And as we continue with this whole thing, this whole course, I will tell you how Jumia Express works. So it's 25 shillings. Then we have the small one, which is 50. Now our pegs fell in this category of 50. But because if it's in the kitchen category, I was being charged 300 shillings. So you can see I was operating at a loss. So I helped my mom operate her business at a loss. 300 shillings, 300 shillings, because the category was home and kitchen, and I will explain that later. Now, when you then come here, if you run out of stock, you remember I told you if you have 10 pieces, you put 10 pieces. If you have 20 pieces, if you don't have 20 pieces and you go telling Jumia you have 20 and you only have 10, and then you run out of stock, they charge you a fee. Okay? Then, when the quality of your product is bad, they charge you a fee. When the item is fake, they charge you a fee. I hope you can see this fee. When the product is counterfeit, they charge you a particular fee. You cannot go putting on Gucci on Jumia when it's a fake Gucci. When you deliver product late by 4 hours, let's say the product is delivered today at 7 a.m. and you deliver it tomorrow at 8 a.m., you will not be charged a fee. But if you deliver it at 12 or 11, you will be charged this fee. Okay? Then, that's it. Shipped within 24 hours, 100% shipped within 24 hours. So that's how it works. So then I will take you through what we did after we realized that these fees were wrong. These fees were wrong. So now, when I realized they were charging shipping cost of 300, I sent them this email. I did not receive payout yesterday. I just can't continue working with Jumia if I pay for a small packet 300 bob for delivery. So I told them what the support lady told me, that she had adjusted it to 50 shillings, but they were charging it at 300. Now they replied with this type of information. Dear Margaret, we wish to inform you that the amount charged, 300, is correct. On our end, we advise you adjust the prices in mind with the above. Below is the link shared of charges on shipping cost contribution. Now let's click. So let's go here. Automobile. So when you click here, now this is the shipping cost. If it's car care, it's 50 shillings. You see automobile, 300 shillings. You see motorcycle, power sport, oil, fluid, and all that. you should come here and see the shipping cost of every category. I'll leave this link in the description. Now, pegs fall in the category of home and office. So when you come to the category of home and office, the fee is 300 shillings. Even if it's one spoon or just one knife, the fee is 300 shillings. Everything that is home and office is 300 shillings. It doesn't matter what size it is, it doesn't care. You see, even cooking appliances, 400 shillings. Whatever it is, it's 300 shillings. Now, we didn't have this type of information when we were getting started, and this is the type of information everybody should have at their fingertips. So if you're going to sell on Jumia, please put into consideration the shipping fee. So I hope you have understood how to go about Jumia, some of the fees you expect. I hope we see each other in our next video, which I will be talking about Jumia Express. So have a good day.